Hello, everyone.
Hey guys,
Welcome.
welcome to. We would like to welcome you to
Soul Church.
Welcome to Soul
Church.
Welcome to the Soul Church.
Our vision is to serve our community with love and light.
School of Light Church is all about
love and family.
Listen, School of Light Church is all about serving with integrity.
School of Light is all about diversity.
School of Light is all about unity.
School of Light is all about vision.
A school that is full with passion, fellowshipping, and being filled with the Holy Spirit.
Where our mission is to empower people for their purpose.
Where we empower others by education.
We empower others by providing resources.
We offer discipleship and various trainings for developing gifts and basic skills.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at School of Light Church.
Join us in person every Sunday at 10 a.m. Blessings.
And